The AI influencer game just got real, ladies and gentlemen, and everything you are seeing right now is not real. They are all AI. Just look at how amazingly realistic they look. Crazy how far AI has come. Creating influencers like this has become super easy. And in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can create your own ultra realistic AI influencer and then turn them into videos using motion capture technology that is almost unrecognizable. Seriously, I'm sure you have come across videos on Instagram and didn't even know they were AI influencers. And today, you'll learn exactly how you can do that too. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so Higgsfield recently launched their brand new tool called AI Influencer Studio. And let me tell you guys, this is the best platform I have ever used to create AI influencers. Not just because of how good the quality is, but because of how easy it is to use. And they have also launched an earning platform where you can get paid for your influencer videos. Isn't this crazy? Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now this is where all the magic happens. It's a very simple interface. Here you can see some pre-generated influencers. You can just click on any one of them and get started right away if you want, but I really wouldn't recommend that. I would strongly urge you to create your own. But if you want to see all the settings used to create an influencer, you can simply select the one you like, and then on this screen you can see all the settings. This gives you a clear idea of what you can really do with it. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now let's create our influencer. So click on this Create New button. Now it's time to set our parameters from this section. You can also do it by giving a prompt, but I personally prefer using this method. Now for the character type, let's go with human, but feel free to experiment and create something unique. The more viral you can go, the more money you can earn. Next, for the gender, let's go with female. For ethnicity, let's choose this one. Now for the skin color, let's go with this. Now let's choose the eye color. You can choose from these options, or you can even select your own color from this color selection section. This is crazy. I'll just go with blue. Now, I don't want to add any particular skin condition, so I'll keep it blank. For the age, let's go with adult. Now, if you want more control and want to be even more specific, you can turn on these options where you'll be able to select facial features, body type, and much more. I'll just go to the body type and choose this one. But feel free to experiment with different settings until you find something you're satisfied with, because once you create the influencer, you'll be using it for your future generations, using the initial image as the main reference. So you really need to put in the effort to make this initial image exactly the way you like. Once everything is set, just click on generate and let the AI do its magic. And here's the output. It looks insanely real. This could easily pass as a casual Instagram photo, an everyday escalator shot with nothing staged. Her face, skin, hair, and eyes look completely natural, like a real phone photo. The clothes sit and fold naturally, and the small details, bracelets, watch, piercing, make it feel authentic. The setting and relaxed pose are exactly what you'd see in a normal social post. Honestly, you could post this and no one would question it. Now, if you are happy with it, you can download this image and then click on this save option, and it will be saved here as your own influencer. You can use it to create different shots of her. And if you're not happy with the result, then again, you can make modifications from here and regenerate. I'm very happy with this one, so I'll save it. Next, in this edit section, you can give specific instructions to create specific edits. Let's try it. So I want to change her top color, so I'll write this in the prompt and click on edit, and this is the output. As you can see, it has changed the top color easily, and everything else remains the same. Absolutely mind-blowing job here. Now, using this edit feature, you can also make her do different things using a text prompt. Let's try it. So this time I'll give this prompt and then hit generate, and here's the output. And just like that, she is now taking a selfie wearing different clothes, but the face is perfectly consistent and the image is extremely high quality. For AI influencers, image quality and face consistency were the most challenging parts, but Higgsfield AI solved it just like that. Now, if you want to do even more advanced editing, like working with reference images, you can do that by clicking on this edit with Nano Banana Pro option, and it will take you to this interface. Now here, I have used the initial image of my influencer, and then I uploaded the image of the kind of clothing and pose I wanted to imitate. Then I gave this prompt. Notice that in the prompt, I've mentioned the images using the @ sign, so you can do that too. And this is the output. It has refined the dress and the pose perfectly. Now, using this technique, you can clone almost any pose and clothing style of any influencer you see on Instagram or anywhere else. And now let's turn our influencer to life by turning them into videos. To do that, go to the Kling Motion Control option from here, and it will take you to this interface. Now, if you click here, you can select from these motion libraries. As you can see, there are so many different clips with different expressions and dances. You can choose from these, or you can even upload your own, in which I'll show you in a bit. First, let's go with this one. Now, for the input image, I've uploaded this image that I created. Next, just select the aspect ratio and hit generate. So that's pretty much it. And here is the output. Wow. Just wow, look at how amazing this looks. This is seriously impressive. The motion transfer feels incredibly natural. Every head turn, smile, wink, and gesture matches the original perfectly. The timing and energy are spot on, but it still feels like a real performance from the new character. What really stands out is the consistency. The hair, eyes, outfit, and accessories stay stable the whole time, even with complex facial expressions and hand movements. Nothing breaks immersion. For content creators, this is huge. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Amazing. Just look at how perfectly it captures everything. Here's another example. This time I used the same influencer input image, and for the reference video, I chose this one from the library. And here is the output. Wow, amazingly good. Kling really cooked with this one. This is by far the best AI motion capture tool you can get right now. And yes, all those viral memes that you are seeing everywhere are being created using Kling Motion Control, and now you can do it too. Here's another example. This time, for the reference footage, I used my own. I downloaded this from Pinterest, and for the input image, I used this one. Here is the output. Amazing. If I don't tell you this is not real, it will be very difficult to figure it out at a first glance. I mean, I also sometimes get fooled by AI influencer videos like this on Instagram. Here's the side-by-side comparison. Amazing how easily and beautifully it captured the motion with little to no distortions. Crazy times. So there you have it, folks. The best platform to create AI influencer images and videos. And now here's how you can earn from your videos. After you upload your influencer videos on the platform of your choice, click on this Higgsfield Earn option, and it will open this interface. From here, first you need to sign up, and then upload your video link in your dashboard, and you get paid based on your video views. Isn't this awesome? So what are you waiting for? Go and try it right now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.